for joining us, everybody. We're so excited to have you here, and we wanted to really talk through the experience at Build Business 2021. Of course, Build Business 2021 has been created by and for the AEC marketing and business development community. Across 3 days, this program will empower, educate, and elevate attendees with an experience that lifts eyes, hearts, minds to embrace an exciting future. A digital experience designed to bring the AEC marketing community together. This is our time to come together as an industry, to put our combined passion, creativity, and expertise together to evolve and meet the challenges of today's world. We'll laugh, we'll cry, and we'll lift each other up. We'll hear stories and learn about resilience, impact, strength, and equity. We're honored you're here to rise with us. And with that said, we wanted to share some fun facts. So currently right now we have 450 people registered to date. And because of that, there's all these opportunities to be able to meet with each other, have and build accountability partners to be able to split and divide and conquer during the live session components this year, and really take advantage of all the great content that we've listed out. We have over 75 speakers, over 45 sessions, and that includes on-demand content that's viewable at any time that's convenient for you, day or night. And all the content's going to be available for up to 60 days. So that's a lot of time for you to be able to rewatch, take notes, take a pause. Life happens. We completely understand. We wanted to make this experience as easy as possible for every attendee this year. And also, we're very excited about our exhibitor hall this year, which is really fun and has a lot of interactivity together and one-on-one meetings, and we'll get into that later. But also, really thrilled with our Build Business 2021 planning committee that's planned this for over this past year. So we thank everyone who was a part of this in planning and putting everything together. We're going to talk about the session types. We have a bunch of different types of session types. Some are on demand and some are concurrent live sessions. And we hope that everyone has a great experience during these. This is where you're going to be able to log in and be able to ask questions and be able to take notes. So we have the transformation sessions, which are 45 to 60 minutes in length. They are bite-sized, on-demand, pre-recorded content of sessions that you will not want to miss. We also have focus forward sessions. Those are 30 minutes, and those are concurrent live sessions. So these are speaker-led case study, bite-sized content with excellent takeaways. And we also have our skills acceleration labs, which are 45 minutes, which are true labs where you'll have several new takeaways to use in your firms with strategic lessons and also live Q&A. So we have our hackathon sessions, which are 75 minutes in length. We're all looking for better ways to understand how to build something or create a better space within our firms and learn how from experts. They are the ones that are going to teach us how to do all these things in workshop environments and interactive learning experiences. So we're really excited for that. And then last but not least, we have our MLive panels, which are also live and concurrent sessions for 75 minutes with dynamic panel discussions of experts, including CEOs of AEC top firms and C-suites. So pull up a chair to the table and immerse yourself in these conversations. You will not want to miss it. I promise you there is a lot of takeaways from every single one of these concurrent sessions and on-demand sessions. I will hand this over to Erin, who's going to talk through the attendee experience.
Thank you, Semra, so much. That was a wonderful recap, and I hope that helped everyone out. So here we will discuss the attendee experience. What you see here is the main lobby. Welcome. So does it look like you're in a meeting space here? That's what we were going for. So if you take a look over on the left-hand side, right above the stairs, you'll find a featured sessions wall. So for each day, there's going to be the featured sessions of the day there, and they will rotate live in action. They will show what session is coming up. And once the session is over, they will disappear and a new one will pop up. So that's the featured wall. If you look just to the right, you'll see the schedule of events on the turquoise meeting sign there. The schedule of events is exactly that. So if you click on there, you'll see all of the events that are happening over the course of the week for Build Business 2021. With that, you'll be able to browse it either for the entire week, or you can browse it by day and filter it as you see fit by session type and so forth. A really cool feature. To the right of that is the main stage. So on the main stage, we're going to have keynotes and max talks, and the Evening of Excellence and the MCA Awards will all be housed here. And it's a really cool theater room. We'll show you what that looks like a little later on in this Know Before You Go. If you look just right down below the main stage, you'll see the on-demand transformation sessions. So that is exactly that. It's the transformation sessions. So they are on demand, and you will be able to watch those all day and all night. So you can even prep beforehand, do a little homework over the weekend, or you can watch them even after the conference is complete. They will be available for you for up to 60 days post-conference. To the left of that is the concurrent live sessions. So this one is really going to be where the meat of the conference is going to lie. That's going to be where the live sessions are housed. So the hackathons, the M-Lives, the skills labs, the focus forwards, all of those sessions that Semra just went over by session type, a lot of those are going to be housed right there in the concurrent live sessions. And I'll pause right here. We're looking at the welcome lobby. We're looking at these meeting signs. There will be a left-hand navigational bar on the left-hand side of the stairs there that you'll see in the next coming slides. That'll be another resource for you to also navigate the system. So there's two places here in the welcome lobby and then also in the nav bar on the left. Okay, we'll go to the middle here, the social wall down below. That is just where all the social media related content will lie. It'll be links to all social websites, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so forth, and have all the hashtags for you to be able to tag. There will be a video that will be playing right above that when the conference is live. And I will move to the top of your screen where you see the top right, the Expo Hall. So connect in our Expo Hall this year. We're so excited for the hall. It adds a little more bells and whistles than in the past. You'll see that on a Expo Hall slide I'll show you in a second here. It's just a really dynamic hall. It kind of makes you feel like you are live and in person. In that hall, you'll be able to connect one-on-one with exhibitors. You'll be able to watch their videos. You'll also be able to have one-on-one meetings with them, as well as email them directly at any time. To the right of the Expo Hall, you see the guided networking. Here, there are 3 networking sessions that will be happening throughout Build Business 2021. We will be using AirMeet. I do want to say that when you click on the sign and it brings you into the AirMeet, it will direct you off of the hub platform page because AirMeet is a different website. But have no fear, all you need to do is click the back button. It'll bring you right back to the main lobby. I want to point out we have our featured sponsor wall. And I just want to say thank you again to all of our sponsors who really helped make Build Business 2021 a huge success. We really could not do this without you. So we thank you very much for your contribution. If you click on this wall, it will bring you directly to the sponsors page, and they will all be listed out there. To the left of the sponsor wall, you'll see Rise Experiences. This is just a resource that we wanted to provide you all with fun content that you can kind of access throughout the conference whenever you would like. A few things you'll be able to find in the Rise Experiences room is a wall of curated podcasts that we have come up with, and just suggestions for you to listen to if you just want to have a break, a screen break, and just have an easy listen. We also will have this posted on the SMPS site post-conference because it's a resource we think you guys will find very helpful just in the future. Another resource that you'll find in the Rise Experiences room is our Miro community board. The community board is a community virtual Miro wall to post quotes, comments throughout, and share key takeaways from this year's sessions. So imagine if you were on site and there was a wall and you were putting Post-its on the wall with your thoughts and feedback. It is exactly that. So much like the guided networking AirMeet, the Miro wall will take you out of the platform. But like I said, all you need to do is click the back button on your browser and it'll bring you right back to the main lobby. The last thing that you'll find in the Rise Experiences room is the reaction cards. So these are downloadable cards that you'll be able to download and print out, and they are just something tangible for you to hold on to if you're in a session, and you can hold them up so people can see what your reaction is. It's fun emojis, it's catchy words. It's just something fun that we thought you guys would enjoy. And last but not least, we have the photo booth. I want to thank you once again to our amazing sponsors of the photo booth that are Tech Inc., C Connect, and Go Strategies. They sponsor a photo booth in person every year at Build Business. And this year we were able to have one in our platform. So this is just an awesome feature that I'm going to share a little bit more information about in a few slides from now. Next is the Expo Hall. What you see here is our Expo Hall 2021. So it has all of the exhibitors' logos on booths. You simply just click on an actual logo itself on the booth. It'll bring you into that person's Expo Hall. Enter the Expo Hall using the left navigational bar as well. You'll see the bottom orange circle, or you can also enter it by simply clicking the Expo Hall sign in the main lobby. Here you'll have one-on-one meetings with exhibitors and catch up on the latest and greatest that they have to offer. The main stage. This is where all of the keynotes, Evening of Excellence, MCA Awards, and Max Talks are going to be housed. What you see here, do you kind of feel like you're in a meeting room? Because that's what we are going for here. On the right-hand side, you will see a type of message. There, it'll be a live chat feature that will be going live throughout each event that will be housed in the main stage. To the left and that block above, there will also be speakers info that will be live when that speaker is up. And that way you can even click on that and get all their content. And to simply leave the main stage, all you need to do is click Return to Lobby on the bottom left. Another amazing feature that we have this year is scheduling a one-on-one meeting. You can do this by heading over to the left-hand navigational menu, clicking on one-on-one meetings, and a page will pop up where you can simply do one-on-one meetings with attendees, or you can do one-on-one meetings with sponsors and exhibitors. Add to your calendar. So this is a really neat feature that we offer. You can view sessions both in the lobby and listing view, and even filter by day. You can filter by title, descriptions, and speakers and that have showed up to publish the sessions. Note that you can also click to add to your schedule. This is a very important, and we do ask that you do this because it not only curates your schedule for you, it connects you to your personal calendar as well. So anything that you click add to calendar within Hub will connect to your personal calendar. So that way you won't miss a meeting. And another key reason why we ask you to do that is because we need you to do this in order to fill out evaluations. We want you to fill out evaluations so we can gain your feedback and have your voice be heard. So for each session that you're interested in, please click add to your calendar or favorite, and that will go ahead and let you do your evaluation as well. Next is My Schedule. This page, you can view upcoming sessions or meetings that you have added to your calendar. You can view by day or search for something specific. Here you'll find the Attendee Directory and Community page. This page, you need to make yourself visible in the community and find others that are interested in similar subjects and topics. You can find this on the left-hand navigational menu. Simply click Attendee Directory. On the right-hand side, you can search for a person by simply clicking the search bar type in their name, and you can find them that way. Speaker directory. This is very similar to the attendee directory. Attendees can browse the speakers and view their profiles. It even shows you what sessions they are speaking at and when they are scheduled. Simply click on the speaker directory on your left-hand navigational menu in order to find that there. Sponsors. Again, we cannot thank our sponsors enough for all of their time, dedication, content. We really appreciate your work and could not do this without you. Check out the sponsors, set up meetings or chat live with their booth staff to learn more about their company. Simply click on the left-hand navigational bar on sponsors, or you can click on the sponsor wall in the main lobby. Change your background or brand your backdrop. In order to find this, go to the left-hand navigational menu, click brand your backdrop. This is a two-part slide. So the first part is the backdrop itself. Share your inspiration and make your meetings personal. Download a cool BB21 backdrop to use when you're meeting with fellow attendees and attending sessions. Pick your favorite from the gallery by clicking on it. Right-click and select Save Image As. You can click the purple, the blue, or the green are all options, and it just slides right on your right. Need quick instructions on how to change your background in Zoom? You can find them by clicking there. The second part to this brand your backdrop feature is also making a custom badge to your background. Brand your experience with the downloadable templates. All of these are optional. You do not have to do these. They're just fun. In order to show off your flair, we'd love to see it. Instructions provided to create your custom badge. Simply click on the link in the document. Download our template and instructions. The virtual photo booth. Again, thank you, Tech Inc., C Connect, and Go Strategies. Don't miss the fun of the experience. Snap a photo of your virtual event space. Add stickers to personalize it and download to share with your friends. Make sure to post it on social. If you still have any questions on navigating the virtual chat, please chat with our live help desk. This will be available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. throughout the conference. Simply find it in the main lobby on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, circled in orange there, is a blue icon. Click on that icon. From there, another page will pop up. You'll see it. Type in your name, your email, and someone from the Hub Help Desk will be at your service immediately. We do have help throughout the conference, live help from Hub. So any technical questions, they are there to answer them for you. If you have any questions for SMPS directly, please contact us at knowledge@smps.org. We hope this is an amazing experience to remember and enjoy the show. Again, for questions for SMPS, please contact knowledge@smps.org. Enjoy the show.